everyone, Mike here with Vernons Signature Audio. Today we got a 2020 Nissan Pathfinder. They had a previous dash camera that they were not happy with, and it does happen a lot. So we're going to outfit that with the new Rydeen MiNy360, which is similar to their Tombow rearview mirror system. These things are selling out crazy everywhere. I've already done one, about to do a second one for the day. So yeah, stay tuned, real quick install.
Said, oh, where'd you go? Well, who they show? How you know where my head aches? Oh, where my heart aches? They'll have you bleed out the deep. So sad to see. I wanna be warm. Yeah. Warm. Death becomes me. Yeah. Warm.
Everyone, Mike here with Vernons Signature Audio, and our Tombow MiNy360 is installed in this Nissan Pathfinder. Unit is right there. This has got a great proximity sensor, probably the best I've ever seen. Literally, you get within 8 feet of it, kicks on, starts recording. Rear camera is mounted, so these are really popular right now, dash cams, and so far, I've installed quite a few. Probably the best I've seen. As far as operation, ease of use, really nice unit. So, you'd like something like this. Check out Vernons on the app, on the website, on YouTube. As always, it's not who you know, it's where you go. Tell them about my cousin, Christian.
Won't you say